own it. Today it's taco barbecue, and now if you're gonna get barbecue out there, you're gonna start barbecuing. You want to get a nice little barbecue grill set. This is probably it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase them like this. So first of all, they give you the case itself, all right? Really, ooh, look at everything just popped out right now, but we could put it back in place. So basically, these things are for the corn. You put them on the side, you grab them, and they're too hot. These are perfect. They give you a couple of these suckers in here, embedded in here, if you guys can see. They give you all these right here. One, two, three, four. They give you for all these sets right here. I'm gonna try to put them all together in a bit right now, but we'll start with a couple of things here. Like, look at these. We're gonna do some kebabs. They give you four of these for kebabs. These are awesome little details. See if you guys see it. One, two, three, four of these for kebabs. These are perfect. I like these. I'm gonna put these on the side so you can see what kind of sets you get. Get one of these for the corn. Then they give you a little the fork actually, and this is a two-piece fork right now that you can grab the meat. I like that. Let's put this on the side. We'll open the marinating part. This is if you want to marinate stuff, this is perfect. I don't know if you guys ever used this before, but it's made of silicone. It's fire resistant. You put in your sauces and you just pretty much mop them in there. That's what it is for. So they give you a good distance. I've never seen something like this long, but it's really good. So like that. Oh, look at this one. This is actually pretty good. I'm gonna open this one up. It's a little sharp on this one. This is the actual. Whoa, whoa, too sharp. It is really sharp. This one. This actually you could cut down things completely. You could flip them over the burgers. You could actually punch some holes in there. Look at this. This is pretty neat. And this part is really sharp. This is a knife sharp right here. If you guys can see it. This is really, really sharp on this part right here. So not bad. Fingerprints, yeah, you're gonna leave fingerprints everywhere. Now this one right here is a really good one. I'm not gonna open it up. I don't want to open where it flips over. But look at this. To grab the rest of the meat, flip them over, and it all is made of stainless steel. Really strong, really durable, and they're gonna last you for a couple years. Now let's take a look at these part right here. Now they give you a couple of these right now, and they give you one, two, three, four sets. These are for your corn or other vegetables you want to put in together. If you don't want to grab them when they're hot, you put them at the end. These are perfect. These brushes to marinate stuff while you're barbecuing. You put barbecue, you mop barbecue on it. You could mop pretty much anything kind of sauces you want on them while they're on the grill. You can do this from a distance, which is good. They give you a long distance on this. But kebabs, this is a plus. I mean, a lot of people like to put shrimp, meats, and other stuff, chicken and stuff like that. This is really good. Stainless steel, like I said, long distance. They give you enough for a couple pieces of meat in here. And the fork itself, another thing that we're gonna do. So we put these to the use today. We're gonna barbecue with these. So